Bristol Myers is down over 11% since it suspended its hepatitis C drug compound. Are we finding a bottom in the stock?
Well, I think we are. You know, the stock has, as you mentioned, come down quite a bit, and I think that the suspension of this compound it really isn't that material to their earnings, even if you go out many years. And they have other Hep C products in the pipeline that I think can certainly not make up for this one. This one was really a big part of the Hep C franchise, but I do think that there's other things they have in the pipeline. So it's a real big overreaction. I think what it really speaks to is the acquisition that they made to buy this drug, this compound, was Inhibitix, and it was $2.5 billion. And that's the reason they bought this company. So the fact that this drug does not work or is suspended, it's very disappointing in terms of the management execution on M&A. So it's kind of like a bigger picture issue.
So what do you think it means for M&A going forward? Are they going to continue to do joint ventures and different things like that?
Well, that's what they have been doing, and they have a number of different joint ventures. And what it is they're trying to lessen the financial burden and risk and yet participate to the upside. So one of the reasons we actually bought the stock was for the Amylin acquisition that they made. And it is also a JV, but we do see a lot of upside to that franchise, and we like that they didn't take on 100% risk just in case something happens. So I like the strategy. Management just put up in the second quarter 8% product sales, excluding Plavix, which is their biggest drug that went generic. And I think that speaks very strongly to their overall pipeline and their global franchise. So we like it, like the yield. The balance sheet is very, very safe and strong. And so this is one that we have been buying in the low 30s pretty aggressively.
Is there anything else in this pharmaceutical or healthcare space that you also like?
Well, I would say CVS is the name that, you know, is kind of our quasi way to play retail and healthcare, and that stock has gotten hit a pretty big time after the Walgreens and Express Scripts announced a contract, and I think that it's just totally overblown. You are about to embark on a huge wave of generic drugs in the marketplace, and that is a huge positive momentum for the industry in terms of better sales, better margins, and their PBM business. And I think that CVS is definitely industry leader, and so on the weakness, that's the one that we also like.
This market has fewer players.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going
to enter a new stage of tech.
It's a stock picker's market.
Welcome to the 5 dumbest things.
Apple reported earnings